Welcome to Girls Can,
Girls Will,
and Girls Did. I am your host, Tahira.
And I'm Nania.
So, Nania.
Yes, ma'am.
What are we going to do today?
Well, everyone is in a panic. We have a pandemic.
Oh.
Right? This COVID-19 has got us all stressed. And I don't know about you all ladies, but I'm stressed. And it frustrates me when I have to turn my whole car back around because guess what I forgot?
Your mask.
My mask. I forgot my mask. Well, today I am going to show you how in a lickety-split second you can create your own mask.
Oh, okay. All right.
Very
useful.
Very useful. Very useful. Like, so you're out and about and you done forgot your mask, but you got an old rag or an old t-shirt in your car. I'm going to show you how you can take that old t-shirt. All you need is a t-shirt and a pair of scissors and create a mask for yourself.
Okay.
All right? So stay tuned because I'm giving you some news that you definitely can what? Use. All right, ladies. So here we are. We're getting ready to run to the store. We just came from the gym or whatever it is. Okay? And oh, no, we forgot our mask. But I do have an old t-shirt in my back of my car. Well, I got a pair of scissors. I can make me a mask. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make us a mask. The first things first is that I'm going to take my shirt, spread it out evenly. All right? Then I'm going to take my fingers and kind of give a approximate measure from my chin to the middle of my nose. All right? I'm going to do that approximate on my shirt. So I'm going to make it a little bit larger just to make sure that I get my whole chin area and nose area covered. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my shirt in half. I'm not going to cut it in half. Cut off that portion that I need. All right. So now it's that. I have that portion that I need. Now I'm going to take this portion and I'm actually going to come in and actually cut out a small rectangle. Cut a little bit more on this side so it'll come off even. All right, so when I'm done with my cutting, I would have something that looks like this. Now, I know you're all saying, okay, what are you going to do with that? I'm going to show you. I'm going to simply cut my straps here, cut my straps here, and voila. I have a face mask. Something that can go around my face and protect me. Oops. If I can get it on, that would be great. Go around my face and protect me from the elements. I have my little ties. And I have my other tie. And now I'm protected and I have my face mask. Now, if I want to do an extra precaution, since you're really protected, you could take a piece of paper towel or a coffee filter, whatever you have in your car, and you can put that in, line it, and it still gives you extra coverage. All right? So there we go, ladies. We've taken an old shirt and made us a face mask. So we can actually go ahead and handle our business.
Mia,
Yes.
you did that, girl.
Thank you. Ladies, listen. Sometimes we forget simple things. And, like I said, if you have a t-shirt in your car and a pair of scissors, voila, you got a mask.
Yes.
You don't have to burn that gas to go back to the house and get a mask.
No, you don't.
Save time and save money. And we're all about saving the coins. So, let us know what you think.
And remember to like, share, and subscribe. And also check out our Facebook page and like and follow that as well.
Because girls can,
Girls will,
and girls did that.